Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how I make refined sugar-free and pectin-free jam, really simply and easily. I hope you'll enjoy and let me know what you think in the comments. So instead of using pectin, I use apples. Apples are super high in pectin, so I always add an apple or two to any of my berry jams. And that also helps stretch my berry harvest a little bit further. Berries are so time consuming to harvest. It's really nice adding a little bit of that apple filler to kind of stretch that delicious summer berry flavor. Today we're using strawberries, a couple Granny Smith apples, and a little bit of lemon, as well as some raw honey from Azure Standard. I will link that in the description. I love Azure for all my bulk dry goods. We're making just a little batch of jam today because I had to harvest these strawberries a little underripe before the squirrels got to them. So I'm taking the tops off of all of the berries. I'm going to set these aside actually and use them to either make tea or infuse into vinegar, waste not, want not. And we're also going to set the apple cores aside. I keep a bag of apple cores in the freezer for making scrappy apple cider vinegar. And that'll be a video coming soon, hopefully. I'm using this little hand-operated food processor today. It's called the EcoChop. I will also link that in the description if you're interested. I really love it because it's so easy to clean and it does not rely on power at all. It's also a lot less noisy than a plug-in food processor. And again, just so easy to clean. Just chopping up all of our ingredients roughly so that they cook down faster and make a nicer textured jam. It is going to be a little bit chunky, but that's the way I like it. If you want it to be completely smooth and a more homogeneous texture, put all of this into a blender and blend it until it is more like a smoothie. Put it into a heavy bottom non-reactive pot and just simmer away, stirring occasionally until it has thickened. You guys might know the spoon test. You can definitely use that to test to see if your jam has set. But I usually just go until it is really thick and gloopy. Spoon your jam into some clean glass jars, wipe the rims, put your lids on, and water bath can these for 10 minutes. Today, I'm actually using the Instant Pot to do my water bath canning because my big canner is still packed up somewhere from our move. And also this is a really small batch of jam. So it fit perfectly in my Instant Pot with one little filler jar to help keep that water level up. Remove these from the water bath and let them cool down all the way on the countertop before you mess with them. Remove the rings for storage and enjoy that fresh summer flavor all year long. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Have you ever made a jam in a similar way? Have you experimented with using less sugar or maybe leaving out the pectin? I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. Take care.